Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry, Emoji Blows. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today we're reviewing what's in this box, and what's in this box will help you during a blackout. What is it? This is the Grecell portable power station. Great for blackouts. Last time I had a blackout, a tree fell on a wire and blew the transformer in a 1-mile radius around my neighborhood. As a result, we didn't have electricity for 3 hours. With a power station like this, you can simply just attach power strip, attach it to your power station, and connect lights, TV, router. Or if you're on the go and you need tools to work on something, you bring this along and you can plug some power tools in there to get the job done. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Comes with a bag, rubber coated handle, and let's pull this out. So along with the bag, it comes with user manual and instructions, with the main power adapter brick, cable to recharge the unit via cigarette lighter in your car, your typical wire connectors in case you want to purchase the optional solar panels to recharge this while you're off the grid. And of course, the most useful is the AC adapter for 110, 120 volts coming out of your house. This is the T-1000. The 1000, obviously, is for 1000 watts of peak power. As you can see on the top here, you can recharge your cell phone wirelessly by just placing it here. On the main panel here, you have the power button. You turn it on and it shows you a gauge. Right now from shipping, it's at 56% strength. Here's a light that I'll show you in a second. In this bank over here, you have an area where you can plug in your cigarette lighter devices by pressing that. You need to recharge your phones or anything that requires a USB. You press the USB and you have the regular USB A and C options. If you have a blackout and you need to plug in a 110 AC device or tools, your regular 3-prong inputs here by pressing the AC. Here you have the inputs for the Y connectors if you want to charge it via solar panel. And if you're on the go, you want to use your cigarette lighter to recharge or plug it into your 110 AC house outlet, that's where you put it in there too. Of course, in a blackout, what do you really need first? Lights. You don't have to turn the power on. This light button works independently. For lights, press the light button. Double press it, and you have the universal signal for SOS. ... dash, dash, dash. That means you're calling for help. Press it again. You have a steady light that will illuminate anything it's pointed to. Press it again to turn it off. So let's test out some mobile tools that you would need to do your job. First, we'll try a multi-tool. Multi-tool is always very useful on the go. We'll simply just press the AC button and you'll see AC out. Plug that in here. Let's see if it turns on. And that took 181 watts. Now let's try a mini grinder. $123 watts. Okay, here's a harder test. It's a full-size Porter cable grinder. This takes up a lot of amps. Will this work? Full power. 550 watts. Here's the biggest test of them all, a heat gun. You know how heat guns work. It's basically just connecting positive to negative in a coil to heat it up. This draws a lot of amps. Usually, smaller power stations will not be able to power a heat gun. Let's check it out. Okay, it worked for about 20 seconds. It went over 1,000 watts, and this is only capable of 1,000 watts. So a heater gun, you're gonna need a lot more power than 1,000 watts. It takes up a lot of power. So now we're indoors again to help you better see lights. This is an industrial commercial LED work light. It has like 10,000 LED bulbs in it. It's very bright. Let's see if this works too, because light is what you need in a blackout. Holy cow. How's that, huh? Really bright. And it's only taking about 230 watts. So theoretically, you could have 4 of these lights powering your house. So after all that testing, it only lost 2%. Remember, we got it at 56%. Now it's only at 54%. Let's charge this up so I can show you how the charger works. Just plug in your charger to the brick and you have a green light, and you'll simply plug this in here. As you can see, it is now charging at 30 watts, fluctuating 30 to 70 watts. When it reaches 100%, you're all done. You're ready for your next adventure. I put the rest of my accessories in this bag, and depending on which method that you use to recharge this, whether it be AC, solar panels, or cigarette lighter mode, it ranges between 5 and 10 hours for it to be fully charged. So because we had half power already, it should only take maybe 2 to 5 hours for this to be fully charged at 100%. And the standby time for this, when you actually need it, is very good. So I'm sure you'll agree that these power stations are super vital for a family in case you ever encounter a blackout. Or if you just need mobile power, whether you're camping, you're at the beach or something, you have the luxuries of civilized living with you anytime. In this small package, like I said, you can wirelessly charge your mobile devices using USB charging cables, USB A and C, also cigarette lighter devices, and your regular AC 110 devices. As you saw, it powered everything up with the heater gun only a few seconds because it draws so much power. 1,000 watts in this small convenient package with an LED light. This is very useful. I'm sure you'd all agree. If you guys are interested in something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers!